Oh my God, Philippines na! Ah, sinigaw niya Pilipinas.
Pilipinas sa crowd.
Oh, ang dami talaga. Yes! Girl! Parang ginanap sa Thailand ang ingay. Diyos ko. Oh my God. Ay, bakit ganun lang? Hindi ako na-satisfied, pero go. Kasi yung ginawa niya yung sa Pilipinas nung lumaban siya, mabilis yung twirl niya. Nagsigurado siya, nagsigurado. Philippines, bakit ganyan? Alisin mo yung dalawang kamay mo, utang na loob. Oo. Pero maganda lang talaga ng mukha ni Atisa, no? Ah, bakit parang, what do you think, Pot? No, yung energy kulang. Oh my God, Tisa. Ayan, no, tangina, oh, sorry. Puerto Rico, ganun, no? Hanip talaga si Atisa, third time mo na, hindi mo pa, ano ba yan? Sabi mo, gugulatin mo kami. Ayan o, ganyan, baka mawala si Atisa. Hi, ang mga comment na naman dyan, you can't blame them. Guys, what do you think? Ang performance ni Atisa. True, better than Atisa. Si Atisa hindi bumaba ng kamay. Para siyang na-robot. Oh my God, top 12 announcement.
Hindi pa pasok sa Pilipinas.
Oh my God, gulo talaga.
Pag pumasok ka sa ano, sisigaw tayo.
I can't begin to tell you how much the excitement keeps multiplying the deeper we get into the competition. So are you ready? Here we go. The top 12 delegates.
Top 12. Yay, man! Ayun na.
Oh my God.
Please take the stage.
Sino yung dalawa pa?
Ah! Punyemas! Pasok sa Philippines! Pasok sa Philippines! Oh my God, wala na kaming pakalam kung sino ipasok nyo the rest, okay? Si Thailand, feeling ko ihuhuli nila si Thailand. Oh my God! Ay! Philippines, nakita ko! Pagsigawan na yung mga tao eh. Hindi ka mag-video, te. Ay! Ay! Oh my God, no! Sabi na eh. Pang Miss Earth. Wait lang, ano yung baba? Hoy, bakit gayaan? Si Maktumang ba yan? Ay, pero maganda naman, pang malapitan. Oh, okay. 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10 tayo. Ano ba yan, Atisa?
The top 5.
Oh my God.
Imagine that.
Sino ang pasok sa
I'll
top
tell you right
5?
now, the only time I made the top 5 was top 5 least attractive people.
Umakit yung dugo ko sa ulo. Uy, ang tagal natin hindi nakakapasok sa top 5. Since 2021 o 2022. Si Beatrice.
Oh my God, guys. It is time. Are you ready to reveal the top 5?
Yes!
I knew you would. You guys have been fantastic. Let's do this in no stress, in no particular order.
I got Venezuela,
The
right?
top 5 is
Oh my God.
Thailand.
Oh my God! Hoy, pasok na lagi sila talaga lagi. Pag dyan ginaganap, sila na kasi ang may-ari ng nakaraang taon eh. Oh my God! Hindi na ipapasok si Philippines. Wala na akong pag-asa. Nawala ng pag-asa.
Oy, no! No!
Wala na. Inano na nila.
Yay! Yay!
Joining her is
Oh, yun ang kumami.
Philippines.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Pasok sa Philippines! Oh my God, labanan! Oh my God!
Sabi ko na nga ba kaya ganun yung gown nilang dalawa eh.
Oh my God! Yung mga Colombian nagtinginan, yung mga Latina nagtinginan sa likod.
Sabi nila, wala, hindi.
Next up, please, Miss Philippines, would you step forward?
Shaky pa man ang boses mo, Day. Sana i-modulate mo. Ay panalo na po yan.
You're chosen. Judge 7, Minnie.
Okay, Judge 7, Lucky 7.
Hi, Miss Philippine. How are you feeling? Really good, excited. My question for you today is, as a global ambassador or citizen, what will be your contribution to humanity?
As very easy.
I want to be the hope of people. I come from a very poor background. I started pageants at 10 years old to put myself through school and to lift my family out of poverty. And if there's anything that I want to show the universe, I'm here right now. I'm standing as Miss Universe because I was able to get myself out of any situation because I was hardworking, I was persistent.
Okay, sell
and I
yourself.
fight for what I want. Thank you.
Sell yourself, Atisa. Oh my God. What do you think? Very personal, so it's good. Na-apply niya.
Really state the answer where it's like I would contribute.
The answer is herself. Yung parang pagkasabi niya, this is me. Ako yung sagot. Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, sino? Gusto ko top 2 Philippines and Thailand talaga. Philippines and Thailand. Pero Cote d'Ivoire and Venezuela could be the top 2 talaga. Yes.
Sila lang maglalaban sa first.
Pero usually sa mga gayaan hindi pa din eh. Basta may pick na yung organization, yung
With each and every one of them.
kahit magaling pa yung sagot ng iba.
Aray ko!
And what is asked for the judges. So now, it is time for the top 5 final question. Each judge will answer the same question.
Oh my God, yes!
Ah! Galingan
They
mo
don't hear
Philippines!
each other's answers. Again, they will have 30 seconds to answer each question.
Atisa, gamitin mo talaga yung...
Miss Philippines, I'll ask you to please step forward.
Oh my God, Atisa! Shoota ka! Bigyan mo ng...
And congratulations.
Mic drop ka dyan.
Miss Philippines,
Hindi ka magiging jellyfish.
the title of Miss Universe tonight. How would you use this platform to empower young girls?
I work with an organization called Allen Academy, where we work with young people to provide them opportunities to make them realize that it doesn't matter what your life circumstances is. It doesn't define where you will
With
go.
conviction,
And I want to
with
continue
feelings.
working with Allen Academy in a bigger platform like Miss Universe to pursue making sure that people who come from low-income backgrounds are given the same opportunities as everyone else. Thank you.
Okay, pasok sa oras. Okay, good! Oh my God! Yes! Giving trabaho. Oh my God. Yan na guys.
We began tonight with 120 delegates on the
Ayan
stage,
na.
all dreaming of being
Okay, sinong fourth runner-up? Mexico?
realized that dream.
Siguro yung pinakahuli.
Mexico na yan. Oh my God. Si Philippines siguro third runner-up lang. Luto ang laban, guys. Para siyang Venus Ra. Hinuli nila, fourth runner-up.
The third runner-up is
Oh my God, huli niya ang Philippines kay top 2.
Philippines.
Ay! Sabi ko na nga, third runner-up. Sabi ko na nga, third runner-up. Punyeta kayo sa Thailand dyan.
Noro! Pag si Mexico talaga yung una dyan.
Uy, punyeta si Mexico! Hayop ka raon! Hayop ka rahol! Oh my God!
Runner-up